Hello friends, good morning everyone. Welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. This is our current affairs session. Today is 10th September 2020. It is very much helpful for all competitive examination. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. So try to watch the session till end for your better knowledge and preparation. Those who first visit Educational Wing, please subscribe the channel for the further updates. This was our previous question. Our first question was WhatsApp has announced a strategic partnership with whom? CPF, Telegram, Facebook, Instagram. The correct answer here is option A, CPF. CPF stands for Cyber Peace Foundation. Cyber Peace Foundation. Okay. WhatsApp has announced a strategic partnership with CPF with the aim to create awareness on cyber safety among students. For cyber safety among students, WhatsApp has partnered with CPF. Okay. Our second question was who has announced its new brand and logo named VI? As Airtel, Vodafone Idea, Reliance. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is option B, Vodafone Idea. Recently, Vodafone Idea has announced its new brand and logo named VI. I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is when International Day to Protect Education from Attack is observed? 8 September, 9 September, 10 September, 11 September. The correct answer here is 9 September. Option B is correct here. On 9 September, International Day to Protect Education from Attack is observed globally. It is first time observed or first time celebrated in 2020. It is first time celebrated in 2020 for the protection of the students and the teachers or the education from the attack. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Question number 2. Who has inaugurated the Patrika Gate in Jaipur? Narendra Modi, Rajnath Singh, Amit Shah, Prakash Javadekar. The correct answer here is option A, Narendra Modi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has inaugurated Patrika Gate in Jaipur, Rajasthan through video conferencing. It was built by Patrika Group of newspaper on Jawaharlal Nehru Marg in Jaipur. It is built in Jaipur. Okay, you can see the image of Patrika Gate. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Which state's Chief Minister has launched Aapka Mitra mobile chatbot for UG course? Haryana, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Assam. The correct answer here is Haryana. Option A is correct here. Haryana's Chief Minister recently Manohar Lal Khattar has launched educational WhatsApp chatbot Aapka Mitra for UG course, undergraduate course. Okay, you can see the image of Manohar Lal Khattar here. Haryana is in news. The capital of Haryana is Chandigarh. Chief Minister you can see here Manohar Lal Khattar and Satyanarayan Arya is the governor of Haryana. Okay. Next question. Who is known as father of Indian radio astronomy? N. Yadav, Gita Sharma, Professor Govind Swarup. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Professor Govind Swarup. Option C is correct here. Professor Govind Swarup is known as father of Indian radio astronomy and he recently passed away. He was recently passed away. You can see the image of Govind Swarup here. He was recently passed away. Also, he was the founding director of National Center for Radio Astrophysics. Okay, and he was conferred with Padma Shri Award also in 1973. On 1973, he was conferred with Padma Shri Award. I hope you got the facts also now. Next question. Organic food processing unit inaugurated in which state? Himachal Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Odisha. The correct answer here is Uttar Pradesh. Option B is correct here. Recently in Uttar Pradesh, organic food processing unit inaugurated. Okay, about 5,000 farmers got benefited in this program. About 5,000 farmers got benefited in this program. Uttar Pradesh is in news. The capital of Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow. Chief Minister is Yogi Adityanath and Anandiben Patel is the governor of Uttar Pradesh. Okay. Next question. Anil Jain became new president of which association? AITA, FIFA, FATF, option D DRDO. The correct answer here is AITA. Option A is correct here. All India Tennis Association. Abbreviation of AITA is All India Tennis Association. Anil Jain became new president of All India Tennis Association, while Anil Dhupar was chosen as the Secretary General. Anil Dhupar is chosen as the Secretary General of AITA, and Anil Jain became the president of AITA. You can see the image of Anil Jain here, the new president of AITA. Question number 7. Who has conferred with Indira Gandhi Peace Prize? David Attenborough, Carl Anderson, Rita Chaudhary, option D none of these. The correct answer here is Sir David Attenborough. Option A is correct here. Sir David Attenborough was conferred with prestigious Indira Gandhi Peace Prize for the year 2019. For the year 2019, you can see the image of David Attenborough here. He is an English broadcaster and a historian and a famous writer also. Okay. So he was conferred with Indira Gandhi Peace Prize in 2019. Okay. Next question. Jayaprakash Reddy recently passed away. He was related to which field? Sports, acting, journalism, option D none of these. The correct answer here is option B, acting. Everybody know that Jayaprakash Reddy is a very famous actor, Telugu actor. You can see the image of Jayaprakash Reddy here. He was recently passed away. Okay. The Telugu actor Jayaprakash Reddy recently passed away. He was working as a sub-inspector of the police when he got an opportunity in the film first, and he was a very famous actor. Okay. Next question. Who was inaugurated the Veer Savarkar flyover in Bengaluru? B.S. Yedurappa, Narendra Modi, Nitin Gadkari, option D Amit Shah. The correct answer here is Karnataka CM B.S. Yedurappa. Option A is correct here. Karnataka Chief Minister B.S. Yedurappa inaugurated the Veer Savarkar flyover in Bengaluru. It is a 400-meter flyover. It is a 400-meter flyover, and it is named as Veer Savarkar, the freedom fighter Veer Savarkar. You can see the image of Veer Savarkar here and flyover here. It is about 400-meter long. Okay. Next question. Who has seized the banking operation of Aditya Birla Idea Payment Bank? MAJ, Reserve Bank of India, ADB, option D World Bank. The correct answer here is Reserve Bank of India. Option B is correct here, RBI. Recently, Reserve Bank of India has seized the banking operation by Aditya Birla Idea Payments Bank. Okay. And the Aditya Birla Payment Bank is inaugurated in 2016. It is founded in 2016 and recently seized by Reserve Bank of India. 1st April in 1935, Reserve Bank of India RBI was established. Firstly, headquarters was Kolkata, but recently headquarters of the RBI is in Mumbai, and Shaktikant Das is the 25th number of governor of RBI. Recently governor is Shaktikant Das. Okay. This is our question of the day. You have to answer in the comment section, and we will discuss this answer in our next session. Our first question is, which city has launched sanitation on one call service? Our second question is, who has released the State of Young Child in India report? Okay. Please try to answer more and more in comment section. Thereby regular practice is done by you. Thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can. Thereby many students got help. Those who first visit educational wing, please subscribe the channel for the further updates, and don't press to bell icon. Thereby you can got the notification very fast. Thank you. Have a great day.